it comes to the softscaping back here, we've kept it really simple. Again, zero maintenance. We've got a lot of mums that are very hardy and they're great for fall blooms. And decorative grasses, it's a no-brainer here. If anything can stand up to rogue balls, it's these decorative grasses.
And down here, we're going super low maintenance with artificial turf.
The grass is officially greener in Melissa and Lee's backyard.
Next up, we're gonna staple it down to secure it. And then we'll actually lift up the grass fibers and make it look a little bit more prominent. It's an instant grassification.
See, I knew you couldn't keep yourself from saying it.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
It's beautiful.
This is crazy. You're crying.
This is amazing.
Oh my God, it's stunning.
This is so nice.
It looks so good.
All we had was muddy grass that was all on one level and really leaning towards the garage here. So this is your zero maintenance grass.
I love it.
Actually artificial turf that looks so real.
Come a long way.
Yes, you don't have to water it.
Even though there isn't a lot of grassy area, it still feels like a backyard, like
Yes.
a traditional backyard.
Absolutely.